Hi viewers, this video for how to enter the basic parameter to INVT solar pump inverter. Now I take the one new VFD. VFD means pump inverter. Now I opening curtain box. It's a 4 kilowatt. 4 kilowatt means 5 HP pump controller. This is the operation manual. This manual inside some screw. This pump inverter model number GD100-004G-4-PV. This common parameter suitable for 4PV series, S2 series, 2PV series, SS2 series. This is a 4 kilowatt drive. Now I opening terminal cover. I haven't solar array power, so I connect the raw power. Raw power means EB power, electricity power, single phase electricity power. Single phase EB power connect to R port and T port. R to connect phase, T to connect neutral. So I take 3-pin top with cable. Single phase connection input mode for only parameter entering purpose, not for other purpose. Now I insert the screw R port and T port. Now I connect phase line, connect to R. Neutral line connect to T. Three-pin top connect to raw power. Raw power means EB power. Now I switch on to EB power. Wait for several minutes. Now power is on. First attempt to factory reset. So press the program button. P05 change to P00. Press the data enter button. Program button used to back button means escape button. P00.00. One time press the down button. P00.18. Press the enter button 0. Change to 1. Again press to data enter. Now this drive is totally resetted. Now this drive is totally reset. This is a 4 kilowatt drive. It's a common drive. Common solar pump inverter drive. It's a MBBT option inbuilt drive. P00.00. Press program button one time. P00. Now I enter the P00 group. Again press the data enter. P00.00. Enter. 2. 2 is a correct value. Again press the data enter. 1. P00.01. 0 is a wrong value. Change to 1. Enter. P00.03. Enter. It's a maximum frequency 110.00. It's a wrong value. We need 50.00. Mostly we are using motor heads for 50 Hz. So change to 50. It's unable to change. So again press the data enter. P00.04 is a minimum frequency. So change to 50. Using for shift button. One time press the shift, first digit blinking. Second time press the shift, second digit blinking. Change to 50. P00.05 change to 3. So up the down button. Using for shift button. One time press the shift button. 50. It's a correct value. Again press the data enter. Now I change to P00 group for P00.14. P00.14. So I using the up button. It's a carrier frequency. It's not a correct value. 8.0. We need 4.0. 4.0 is a correct value. Again press the data enter. P00.15 is a motor auto tuning parameter. Kindly refer this book, operation manual book, P00.15. Kindly refer this operation manual book. Again press the program button. Program button means escape button. P00. We need P02. P02 is a motor parameter group. P02 it's a correct value. P02.00 is a correct value. P02.01 it's a motor power. It's a unit for kilowatt. 4.0 kilowatt. 4 kilowatt. It's a correct value. P02.02 it's a heads, motor heads. P02.03 it's a motor RPM. Motor rated RPM. P02.04 it's a motor rated volt. P02.05 it's a motor rated power. Power means ampere. It's a current. 8.0. Okay, again to the P04 group. P04 enter. P0 group is a motor performance group. motor flow performance. P04.00 change to 1. P00.1 it's a motor boost torque. Totally 00 change to totally 00. 00.0. 02.0 it's a correct wrong value. P04.02 it's a 20.0 it's a wrong value. 35.0 it's a correct value. P04.10 change to P04.10 change to 050. 050 same value 050. So using for shift button. Change to P05 parameter group. P05 for the terminal control group. P05.001 1 is valid. P05.01 change to 01. One is unable to change 00 or 02. So P05.05. This pump inverter ready to connect solar panel and solar motor. External switch controller connect to S1 port and COM port. This is a 2-wire controller. This switch is not working. Press the quick jerk button. One time press the quick jerk button. After this button, this external switch is working. OC1, OC2, OC3, OL1, AL5, ALS, UV under voltage error. Any fault code display this inverter. Kindly refer operation manual. Operation manual contain many troubleshooting parameter. So this operation manual is useful. I enter total parameter. I give this video description box. I hope this video for useful to INVT customers. Thank you for watching this video. I will meet next video.